In this video, I'll show you how to make page numbers Roman numerals in Google Docs. Before we begin, there is one important thing you need to know. Google Docs can add page numbers automatically, restart numbering in a new section, and let you start numbering from a specific page, but it still does not have a built-in option to automatically format page numbers as Roman numerals like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you want Roman numeral page numbers, the practical method right now is to use section breaks and type the Roman numerals manually. First, open your document and make sure it is using regular pages, not pageless format. Page numbers in Google Docs are a page-based feature, so you need the document to behave like normal pages before this works properly. Then decide which part of the document should use Roman numerals. In most cases, this is the front section, like the title page, table of contents, acknowledgements, or introduction. Next, place your cursor at the end of the last page that should use Roman numerals. Go to Insert, then Break, and choose Section Break, Next Page. This creates a separate section so the pages before and after can use different numbering setups. Google Docs uses section breaks when you want page numbering changes to apply only to part of the document instead of the whole file. Now click into the header or footer of the first page in the Roman numeral section. Instead of inserting the normal automatic page number, type the numeral manually. For example, on the first page type lowercase I, on the second page type 2, then 3, and so on. Google's Help Community Guidance confirms that Docs does not currently support automatic Roman numeral page numbers, so manual entry is the workaround people use. After that, move to the next section where you want regular numbers to begin. Click in the header or footer there, and if needed, turn off link to previous so the new section is separate from the earlier one. Then go to Insert, Page, Elements, Page Number, and choose More options if you want to start that section at page 1. Google Docs officially supports starting page numbering on a specific page or section, which is what makes this mixed setup possible. So for example, your front matter could show 1, 2, and 3 manually. And then the main body of your document could begin with 1, 2, and 3 automatically. That is the closest way to create a Roman numeral page number layout in Google Docs right now. One quick tip before you finish. Check each page carefully after you set it up. Because the Roman numerals are typed manually, you need to make sure each page has the correct numeral and that the second section really starts with standard numbering where you want it to. Once that is done, your document will look much more like a formal report, dissertation, or academic paper. So that's how to make page numbers, Roman numerals, in Google Docs. Google Docs still does not offer automatic Roman numeral page numbering, so the best method is to use section breaks, type the Roman numerals manually in the front section, and then start normal page numbering in the next section. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.